Hello, you are most welcome. I'm teacher Ivan from Wuna Educational Services. Today we shall be looking at density of mixtures. However, before we continue, I kindly request you to subscribe to all our YouTube channels from Wuna Educational Services, that is Wuna e-learning platform, Teacher Ivan's online class, and the Wuna Kids platform. Don't forget to hit the bell such that you get notified whenever we have new videos. Thank you. We are looking at density of mixtures. What is a mixture? A mixture is obtained by putting together two or more substances that don't react with one another. And the density of mixture depends on the masses of its content or the constituent substances and their proportions. And the volume of the mixture is the sum of the volumes of individual substances that make up the mixture. Similarly, the sum of the mixture is the mass of the mixture is given by the sum of the masses of the content or the individual substances. That is, if we are to get density of a mixture, then we shall have the mass of mixture over the volume of the mixture. How do we get mass of the mixture and how do we get volume of the mixture? For instance, if we have a mixture of milk and water, we shall get the mass of the mixture, which is the mass of the milk plus the mass of the water. Similarly, the volume of the mixture will be the volume of the milk plus the volume of the water. And therefore, if we have, let's say, consider two substances of mass mx and my, and the volume of masses mx and my and volumes vx and vy. So we have two substances whose masses are mx, my and volumes vx, vy. Then the density of the mixture will be given by the mass of the mixture, which is the mass of x plus the mass of y, over the volume of the mixture, which is volume of x plus volume of y. So we shall get the total mass of the individual substances that make up the mixture over the total volume of the individual substances that make up the mixture. That is how we get density of the mixture. Otherwise, we can have an example of how we get density of a mixture we have example which says that liquid Y has a volume Vy of 0.40 meters cubed and a density, that is rho y, of 90 kilogram per meter cubed. This one is mixed with a liquid X of volume 0.35 meters cubed and density of 80 kilogram per meter cubed. So they are asking for the density of the mixture, but density of mixture is given by the mass of Y plus the mass of X over the volume of Y plus volume of X. However, in our question, we are not given the masses. But don't forget that from density equals to mass over volume, then mass is density times volume. When we multiply throughout by V, you get mass as density times volume. And since we are not given the masses directly, then we shall use this. And hence, that means that we shall have density of the mixture as, where we have my, that is mass of Y, we shall say density of Y times volume of Y, plus where we have mass of X, we shall have the density of X times volume of X over volume of Y plus volume of X. And therefore, since we have the density of Y as 0.40 times, we have the density and volume, so this is the volume 0.40 times its density of 90 plus, so we shall have, this is the volume of Y 0.40 plus times its density to give us the mass. Then for X we shall use the volume, which is 0.35 times its density, which is 80, to give us the mass, over Vy, which is 0.40 plus Vx, which is 0.35. So when we multiply 0.40 times 90, we end up with 36 as the mass of liquid Y, plus 0.35 times 80, which gives us 28 as the mass of liquid X, over their volumes, that is 0.75. So we shall end up with 36 plus 28 gives us 64, divided by 0.75, which gives us the density as 64 divided by 0.75 gives us a density of 85.3 recurring, that is in kilogram per meter cubed. So that is how we get the density of the mixtures. Otherwise, that has been our lesson, and this marks the end of density. So in our next lesson, we shall be looking at relative density. Please don't forget to subscribe, to hit the notification button so that you get notified whenever we have new videos. Please subscribe so that we learn together and we make your learning simple. You learn from the bed, learn from anywhere with convenience and confidence. See you next time. Bye-bye.